Hello everybody, it's Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation. I'm going to show you something we found recently. If you look at the wall there, underneath the beam, you can see the pilaster there. You can see how it has a lean to it. Let me get a little closer on this. A little better picture. You can definitely see the widening crack there. Somebody put some sealant in there and it continued to expand. But you can also easier tell how that's leaning in. And the other side here, you really can see the amount of separation that's occurred over this area over here. But what's going on? This house had some flat grading on the exterior and a little bit toward the house. So water is accumulating right on the outside of the house. And that water pressure, the weight, and especially if the water freezes and expands, it's going to put a lot of pressure on that foundation and move it in. Expansive soils, depending upon the type of soil, that also can put pressure on a foundation. Interesting though, it's not cracked partway down. This is cracking above the top of the soil. There's a reason for that. If you zoom in here, we can see the beam is touching the top block. So and that's fine that the beam's touching, but what's going on is the wall is leaning in, but that beam is holding the top block in position. So the top block is the original position, vertical, while the lower part is coming in up underneath it. So anyway, watch your grading. It's important for the longevity of your house. And if you're a real estate agent, Habitation Investigation, we have a class on foundations. It's regarding the type of foundations and the ways that they can be repaired. That way you are familiar when you address issues similar to this to your clients. And this class that we have, it is approved by the state for continuing education. So message us, call the office, 614-413-0075, or just message us here and get the class for you in your office. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.